loves, welcome back to my channel. So you guys should have just saw probably the quickest unboxing I've ever done for a human hair unit. And so let me just go ahead and give you guys all the deets and then tell you how I feel about this unit. So this unit is courtesy of SAMS Beauty. They were kind enough to send your girl 2 synthetic units, a human hair unit, and then some bundles. And so you guys should have already saw the synthetic units in a previous video, and then this is the human hair unit. And I still have to make a unit for the bundles at a later date, but hopefully you guys have been enjoying the videos that I've been putting out. If you guys did not know, your girl has been super busy, okay, with my new career. It has been amazing, it has been challenging, it has been exciting, it's been a slew of other adjectives, okay? So I needed a unit that was quick and easy and an everyday unit, because you know your girl's back to a 9 to 5 Monday through Friday type thing when I'm not bringing you guys videos, okay? So this unit happens to be the perfect everyday unit, y'all. Like, I'm super excited. So if you guys didn't know, with the synthetic units, I just was not happy or thrilled with the synthetic units, but I'm so happy that this human hair unit made up for it, because y'all, I was getting a little sad about the choices I made. But yeah, so this unit comes from a brand called UPSCALE. I'm not sure if UPSCALE is exclusive to SAMS Beauty or not, but you guys can definitely get it at SAMS Beauty. And so it says it's 100% unprocessed Brazilian REMY human hair. You can bleach, dye, and perm it. I don't know why they always say perm it. Like, why would you want to perm human hair? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. But I've bleached hair before and I've dyed it, but I've never permed it. So it does say that it's an upscale full lace wig, which I'm not quite sure I agree with that. Maybe, I don't know what the definition of full lace is, but there's lace in the parting space, okay? So it allows you to wear your hair in the middle or a little bit towards the side, which is something I gathered. I had it in the middle at first, if you guys noticed in the video, but then I kind of shifted it a little bit because it was so much lace hanging like over my ear. So I figured they allow you to put it either in the middle or shift it to, you know, the right or the left. It says that it's a natural wave 18-inch unit and the color is natural because, of course, you know, it's human hair. And so they give you a couple of, you know, features and deets on the back of the unit, but pretty much it's your standard unit. But now on to my personal thoughts about this unit. So I was actually pretty excited to get this unit because I don't think I've ever had a human hair unit where it had the parting space already for you, which meant I could wear my wig grip, which, yeah, I believe I am rocking my wig grip, which means I don't have to use any type of glue or got to be freeze. Like, I can literally put it on my head, it's secure. If I want to take it off at night, I can. And so yeah, that's what I was really excited about. But as far as like the quality of hair and stuff, I wasn't sure, you know, how they were going to produce, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised. And so as you guys saw, I did go ahead and curl this unit for you guys just to show you guys a different look that you guys can get with this unit. So you guys saw with the natural wave pattern, which is what the model is rocking. I could have kept it like that, but I thought I'd just go ahead and throw some curls in it so you guys can see that it is heat safe, heat friendly, you know, whatever you want to call it. And absolutely, I'm sure you can straighten it. And so yeah, it didn't come with very many baby hairs. I think it did come with some baby hairs maybe right at the parting space, but as far as on the perimeter, none at all. So you guys should have saw that I did go ahead and just cut a few right here just so that it can look natural, you know, and blend seamlessly like it's mine. So yeah, you're probably definitely gonna have to make some baby hairs, you know, just so that it can look a little bit more natural. I didn't secure it right here, so the flap is up right here, but I'm also about to take it off, so it was no need for me to. So even though the flap is up for me, I still feel comfortable going outside and, you know, running errands or, you know, going to an event or going to work or whatever, and not feeling like it's gonna fly up and, you know, they're gonna know like, hey, I got a wig on. I did go ahead and take pictures, so you guys make sure to follow me on Instagram. If you guys are not already following me on Instagram, it's RhythmNBeauty. But on there, I show you guys when I take pictures and how I just feel like this part just looks so flawless. All I did was add my mineralized skin finish powder and it did the job. So yeah, y'all, I'm absolutely feeling this unit. I definitely feel like it's a, you know, a quick and easy everyday unit. So this is a pleasant change, just, you know, something really natural, easy to do, and everyday look. So hopefully you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.